In recent years, several projects of future trucks have appeared in the world at once. Some of them are embodied in existing running samples, while others are still at the design stage. In contrast to cars, the development of trucks is at a much slower pace. Most of the models that you see on the road are not much different from the trucks that were produced 15-20 years ago. Today I will show you 6 unusual trucks of the future. In 2018, unofficial renders of the futuristic Audi HMV concept truck appeared on the network. This is what the truck of the future from Audi could look like. This is just a rendering of one designer, and he has nothing to do with the German concern. But nevertheless, the truck looks stunning. The car looks more like not an Audi concept, but a Batman truck. If Bruce Wayne wanted to become a trucker, his truck would look exactly like this. Jeremy Dodd, the car designer, painted it in a very aggressive exterior design. The author of the render said that he wanted to come up with the most futuristic look for the truck. And that is why he equipped the truck with the 5 additional lightning fixtures, 2 built into the rear of the wheel arches, and 3 more are located on the trailer. Such a truck will be equipped with electric motors and will be on autopilot. An experimental truck called the Teapot was designed and donated for the experiment by the Swedish startup Einride. The truck is equipped with several cameras, radars and leaders, which corresponds to the 4th level of autonomy, that is, it is controlled by the operator remote. It does not have a driver's cabin and the base of the trailer is small, 7 meters. But despite its compactness, the machine is able to withstand a maximum load of 20 tons of cargo. The total weight of the apparatus 26 tons. Teapot rechargeable batteries are rated for 200 kilometers, which is more than enough for urban transport. Samsung took a part in the development of the electrical part. The Swedes intend to produce more than 200 of these trucks and begin to lay new roads. Nikola One, the world's first hydrogen truck from the USA. Nikola Motor Company unveiled the world's first hydrogen fuel cell truck. According to the manufacturers, Nikola One is primarily intended for long-distance transport of various goods with different types of trailers. The power reserve is 2000 kilometers, and the power of the power plant is in the traditional equivalent of 2000 horsepower. A fully loaded car is capable of accelerating to 100 km per hour in just 30 seconds, which was quite recently a good indicator for mass passenger cars. The authors of the project could not leave the cockpit as usual. Everything here is futuristic. There are many high-tech elements in a cockpit. One of the advantages in the presence of the circular surveillance systems that monitors the traffic situation in the so-called dead zone. Compared to diesel counterparts, the interior space in the cab is increased by 30%. The developers argue that their project should solve at least part of the problem of developing environmentally friendly transport that can travel long distance. Now, this is becoming an increasingly urgent issue since from 2020 some countries are proposing to introduce a partial ban on the registration of cars with internal combustion engines. Iveco Z-Truck. According to the manufacturer, Iveco Z-Truck is a truck of the future which today will be able to reduce operation costs by a third. The internal combustion engine runs on biomethane and has an output of 460 horsepower. The mileage at one gas station reaches 2200 km. In the truck, the cab layout has been seriously worked out, which has the highest possible aerodynamics today. The cab of the truck can transform the interior space, which allows to increase the volume of the household module in the parking lot due to the rear wall sliding back by half a meter. Bugatti Hypertruck concept. The French brand Bugatti is inextricably linked with speed. In its new history, the company is known for supercars with 4-digit engine power. Designer Patrice Devadet, who works for Dongfeng China, offers his vision of a long-distance truck. It's called the Bugatti Hypertruck. he managed to create something that looks more like a hand blender than a multi-ton main lane truck. Its sleek body directs our eyes to the front, where the cab is located in a suspended state. It has only one vertical headlight. Judged by the numbers of axles, the truck is designed to carry a large amount of cargo. As conceived by the creator, the truck will be able to move in a partially autonomous mode. It is clear that Bugatti is not going to build a truck today, the Bugatti Hypertruck concept. The company is too busy making its Chiron. And who knows what the future holds. Imagine the Hypertruck speeding along the highway at 300 km per hour. It seems fantastic. What can this marvelous truck transport? It will be an ideal racing transporter or a means of delivering exclusive supercars to their owners. Walmart Advanced Truck. Remarkable fact, this truck was not developed by the leading automaker or tuning studio, but by the Walmart Trading Company, which tries to embody in it all the requirements dedicated by the modern realities of real operation. First of all, special attention was paid to economy, due to which the cab of the truck is designed with a streamlined protrusion lower part. It is worth nothing that the interior space in the driver's workspace is quite narrow, which is why it improves visibility. In the lack of space is compensated for by a huge household module behind the driver's back. The truck received a multi-fuel engine capable of full operation of diesel, gas and motor biodiesel. In addition, there is an accumulator battery that provides up to 100 km. The Walmart truck is built using carbon fiber and the latest technology. The result is a comfortable and lighter truck. Thanks for watching. In a pop-up on the screen the videos that should please you, go straight to it. Bye.